Good morning and welcome back to Darwin on this very soggy Boxing Day morning. Yesterday, Christmas Day, we were under a cyclone watch, which did develop into a cyclone warning. However, during the evening, it crossed a little bit below Dundee as a low. It didn't even develop into a cyclone. So what we've got this morning is a lot of drizzling rain with the odd shower, very mild winds. They expect them to continue for 2 or 3 days. So this morning we're going to go for a drive to the Nightcliff jetty and boat ramp, just to have a look at what's happening at the foreshore. We are expecting high tide probably within the next hour, and today's high tide will be 5.5 metres. So not the highest, but we might see a few waves. Okay, we're just coming up to the Nightcliff foreshore jetty and boat ramp, just on our left here. Trees not swaying about too much, so a mild breeze. We'll just pull in here and have a look. This is the first low that possibly could have turned into a cyclone this year, and it has dropped the temperature down to around 26-27 degrees. So it's very pleasant, very high humidity, but it's quite nice with the lower temperature. You will get many people in this area at sunset, mostly in the dry season. That's Sunset Park right in front of us there. Okay, so I've just walked down to the boat ramp, So we're getting close to the high tide mark. When it does come in at 7 or 8 metres, it will completely cover the rocks on the left and most of the ones on the right. So it's just a protected area where you can put your fishing boat in relative safety. So this is the recently renovated Nightcliff jetty. It does cop a bit of a battering in the wet season. A lot of people like to go fishing out on it. Not great conditions for it today, of course. These rocks have eroded quite a bit over the last 30 years or so. You get quite large chunks break off from time to time. They initially predicted that the low would reach the NT coastline, not necessarily Darwin, this morning, but it did cross approximately 7 or 8 o'clock last night, still as a low, and is currently heading east. It will go through Arnhem Land and back out into the Gulf is their predicted path. So we will get light rains and probably light breeze for the next few days. Okay, we're just around the corner a little bit now. This inlet, quite often you get a decent surge coming up here. Okay, I've just had to change cameras. Here we're getting a little bit more rain, so I've just got my little Kogan action cam. So we'll just have a bit more of a look. The tide has come in a little bit further at the moment. I'll probably do a part 2 to this this scene here at Nightcliff foreshore. Just around the corner to our right is the Nightcliff beach, and I'll notice there's a few guys out there with their surfboards, so I might duck around there and take a look. So I might do that in part 2 of this video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.